India's first round-the-clock online court, conceptualized with the aim of helping reduce the mammoth backlog of cases, has started functioning at Kollam in Kerala. On November 21, Judicial First-Class Magistrate Surya S. Sukumaran, who is in charge of the court, presided over the first proceedings. An initiative of the Kerala High Court, and supported by the Supreme Court, the system is supposed to operate across 3 judicial first-class courts and the Chief Judicial Magistrates Court in Kollam. The court operates in hybrid mode and is primarily mandated to handle cases related to dishonoring of checks, under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881. Cases can be filed in the court throughout the day. The maximum punishment in a check bounce case is a fine, which can extend to twice the amount of the check, or imprisonment for a term not more than 2 years, or both. However, it takes years to complete the trial. Kollam is among the districts of Kerala with very high pendency of check dishonor cases, although no reasonable estimates of the pile-up are available. The open and networked court eliminates the need for in-person appearances, with hearings, arguments and trials all conducted online. Summons to accused individuals will be sent digitally to their respective police stations. The accused persons and their sureties can submit bail applications and documents online for approval. Lawyers and police officers in Kollam find the hybrid court an attractive proposition to deliver speedy justice. They point to how cases of check bouncing otherwise pile up in the higher courts and the trial becomes a lengthy process. Cases of dishonored checks take a long time to settle and remain pending in the courts. That may change now, said a mid-senior Kerala police officer. State Law Minister P. Rajiv congratulated the judiciary for the novel concept. Our government continues to support the judiciary to deliver the best. The 24-hour hybrid court is going to transform judicial proceedings in the state, Rajiv told India Today. However, Dr. Sebastian Paul, eminent Supreme Court lawyer and a former Lok Sabha MP, differs and says what India needs is casualty courts. It means all magisterial courts should operate round the clock, he says, reasoning. A person arrested on, say, a Friday after 5 p.m. is kept in police custody till Monday morning. With a 24/7 magisterial court, the police will be compelled to produce the accused before the magistrate soon after the arrest has been recorded. This will go a long way in securing the rights of the poor and aiding justice. Why can't magisterial courts operate round the clock like casualty units in hospitals?
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.